Hello, Melanie here, Bell Camper Sales, Bartlesville, Oklahoma. I'm excited today to share with you a 360-degree video of one of our new arrivals. This is a 2022 KZ Sportsman. It is a small little bunkhouse. Model number is 191 BHK. This little guy only weighs a little over 3,300 pounds and 20 feet long, so pretty easy to tow with a small SUV or truck. So easy to get you camping. There's some outside amenities that I won't be able to share with you now, but we'll definitely do that when you come to take a tour. This one does have some outdoor kitchen with a flat griddle and a mini fridge with a powered awning outside, so you can extend all of your relaxing outdoors too. So inside here there is quite a bit of room. There you do have one slide out, which gives you some extra elbow space here. The main bed is up front here. You have a full-size mattress with overhead storage cabinets, and these are pretty deep and go the full width of the camper. You have LED lighting underneath and power charging stations on both sides. There is additional storage underneath the bed that is your pass-through storage from outside too. You have your dinette booth over here on the side, which is a nice big long table to give you plenty of room to dine. This also converts to an additional sleeping space just by taking the legs out, putting this table down as the base, and then the cushions become your mattress. So easy to take this to an additional space for a guest. And then opposite of that, you have your kitchen set up where you have your sink for doing your dishes, a nice deep sink here, 2-burner cook stove, and then you do have some cabinets underneath with space. And this one actually has some little pull-out drawers for utensils and things. And then overhead storage again, and your microwave up above. Over here is your audio system that you can connect to wirelessly, and then your buttons to turn on lights, open up that slide, as well as the awning are right here. You do have AC in this one, so you'll definitely stay nice and cool in this unit, as well as a fan vent here in the middle to provide a little extra lighting too. We're going to move to the back part of the camper here. Over here you'll find this great big refrigerator that all of our customers are loving more and more. This is runs on 12 volts, so it's a little bit deeper than most. You have a full freezer space and refrigerator space here. And then opposite that are the bunk beds, and these are nice long single bunks that can support up to 250 pounds. You have a upper and lower bunk here. Both have windows, so it doesn't feel so enclosed there. And then there is some additional storage right next to them for hang-up clothing and some shelves below. Right past that is the bathroom. And I'm going to slide you back here with me so you can get the full view of this bathroom. You do have the mirrored medicine cabinet up above your sink, additional electrical outlet, and the ability to check your tanks here in the bathroom, and then a toilet and your stand-up shower with another vent and lighting. Well, thank you for coming with me on this tour of this KZ Sportsman 191 BHK. This is a 2022, just arrived. We hope you'll come down to see us here at Bell Camper Sales. Let us show you a lot of the inventory that just came in, and let's get you camping.